If you usually use the Pixellab application to create or edit images and need to add a new custom font, the method is quite easy. The first step, make sure you already have the font you want to import. As an example, I will download one of the fonts from the Dafont website. Once the font has successfully downloaded, open it from the File Manager. Find the folder where the file is stored. Because this file is still in zip format, extract the file first. And now I'm going to directly extract the files into a folder with the same name as like the font name. The next step, run the Pixellab application. On the menu at the bottom, select the icon to open the font settings. In this view, find and select the font option. If we ever added the fonts from external, it will be displayed in My Font. To import a font, select the file icon. Then open the folder where the font files are stored. Generally, the file type for fonts is in TTS or OTF format. If there are several fonts, then we just need to check them. Because I only have one, I will check that one font file. After that, touch Add Selected. And now the font has been successfully imported into the Pixellab app, and we can try the font. But if you have several fonts that have been put together in a folder, you can select the folder icon in the My Font option. And then find the folder which contains the fonts. If the folder from the font collection has been found, touch Add Selected. Then all files of the fonts will be imported into the Pixellab application. That's how to add custom fonts in the Pixellab application. Thank you for watching and see you in another video tutorial.